Hello guys, we're doing the volcano thing.
Gabriel, we stopped for a moment while we're getting our plaster to the right consistency. Gabriel is worried. Are you scared about my volcano making skills? Look.
Did you say
Whatever makes you think that I would mess something up.
I
Like,
want
look.
candy?
Look. Okay, it's about...
The volcano stuff is all in my pants.
I can't keep it from going everywhere. I think that it might go through the cracks. This is it. I might pause it again because it's still taking quite a bit of mixing. Maybe if I let it sit for a minute. I'm not a good mixer really. This is going to have to sit for a long time to set up for us to even do the fun part. Oh my god, it's in my hair and everything. I got it everywhere.
Oh, then only because I got my armor on.
Gabriel, this is just the plaster mixing part, and he's got all his protective gear on, like he don't trust his mother.
Is that ever ruining my football being?
Surely it'll wash off. It says if it's not thick enough, it'll seep through the... Did I get all of it down?
I'm going for Fortnite.
While this is setting up again. We gotta update it though, I think.
No, it's already done. Do not update.
Ooh, sweet.
Is it hot spot on? Let me check.
Okay, it's getting creamy now. I think this is good. That's not gonna seep out. Okay, we gotta get it timer just right. Okay, ready? Now we're pouring the plaster into the volcano mold. Ooh. Oh. Uh-oh.
There. That's weird.
I mixed it too long. It just like all of a sudden just like bam got thick.
Like the Dairy Queen ice cream. I dare to hit it on the table.
You dare me to hit it? Look at me already. I am gonna have to kind of...
Are you sure you got it all?
Give me a spoon.
You want a spoon?
Yeah, this little tool that they give you. You just as soon use your dang fingers. Well, that one's not chopped under now.
Which one? This got no use. You should have chosen the big spoon. You got any gas masks?
Seriously, Gabe. Oh my lord! I don't know, but I mean, I would do this with the cake. After pouring, gently tap the sides to remove any air bubbles.
I see some air bubbles. Is it done yet?
Prepare your volcano paint. The plaster must dry completely before you paint it. Put the plaster volcano in a, and I can't see that part because there's plaster, in a warm, dry place for 1 to 2 days, or to dry the plaster more quickly, have an adult helper put the volcano in the oven for 1 to 2 hours. Oh my lord!
the neat parts of this. I'll start one.
So what are the chances that if I put this in the oven, that's plastic though. How would that work? If it takes 2 hours in the oven, do you know how long it's gonna take?
What?
Might as well go pause our video.
2 years. Or do you want me
To
to
be
stop
continued.
it? You want me to stop it?
Stop it, yeah.